Recon man, back with a console repair on a Dodge Ram. And the steering wheel's got some little gouges and scratches in it, so we're gonna get that and the console. I'm gonna get to prepping back in a minute. Got the console repaired up. Turned out really nice. About as level and as flat as you can expect it to be. And I got the steering wheel sanded and prepped. So I'm gonna get the color sprayed on it. I'll be back with the finished product. We got it wrapped up. Let you check out the finished product. Steering wheel looks really good. Not perfect, but much better. Same for the console. Not perfect, especially in HD 4K, but just to the naked eye, it's barely detectable. That wraps this one up. We'll catch you on the next one. Later.